Video, I'll be showing you how to utilize the if, else, and elif commands in Python through providing you a problem, where in this problem there are people that are trying to go into a carnival fair, but for different ages there are different fare prices. And to start, we'll have our input for our age here. So we put age equals to integer, input, please tell us your age here. So when we run the program later, it will ask us to input our age there. Afterwards, we have our first condition, where if the person is smaller than 4, then the following applies. Print, the admission fee to the carnival is $0. So that's our first condition, right? If the person is below 4, then the fee is $0. So what if the person is 4 or above? Then this condition applies, and we use the term else to describe this. And else is basically anything that is 4 or above, right? So else, print, the admission fee to the carnival is, let's say, $100. Whoops. And so we have two conditions here. If the person's below 4, then the admission fee is 0. If the person is 4 or above, then the admission fee is $100. So we can test this out by running the program here. Here it tells us to input our age through from this line of code. And we can put our age here. Let's say we're 3 years old. There. The admission fee to the carnival is $0. And let's say we're 4 or above. Let's say we're 5 here. And there. The admission fee to the carnival is $100. So the if and else here allow us to make two different conditions. And as I've mentioned before, there's another term that can be added here, the elif term. And that's basically used if you want to add a third condition or more than 3 conditions. But let's say we have another condition here, and a different price applies for a person if he's just below 18. So elif age below 18, print, the admission fee to the carnival is $50. So what does this code tell us? This code applies if a person is below 18 but is still 4 or above. So this is what this line of code is for. And else just describes anything that's above 18, or anything that's 18 or above. So let's try to run this program now. So before, if we put in our age as 5, we have to pay $100. Let's try it now. There. We just have to pay $50 this time. And let's say our age is 19, or let's say 18. Right? We have to pay $100. So this still applies, right? Because if we're above 18, then the else command applies. So that's basically it for the if, else, and elif commands in Python. If you have any questions, you can always ask me in the comments below. Thank you.